Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon in Germany. We've got here a Westfalia Columbus 540D 541 tiny camper van. I use the word tiny because you can't get them any smaller than this on the Fiat Ducato base. This thing is going to cost 80,500 plus, and what is interesting about this, of course, is the footprint. Really small. Now Westfalia do a very nice line in camper vans, very attractive, lots of features inside, and so note this: warm water foot Fußboden. Call that this thing here. What's that word for that? I've forgotten. Warm in the floor. That's it. Warm water heating in the floor. So let's come up here. You know, person who's multilingual. There's a person who's can't speak many languages, forgets parts of words in many languages. There's your bed up here in the tent and the roof. Note lighting all around. You've got here lighting as well. So this is a bit more luxurious tent, but bear in mind a tent is a tent and it's no better insulated than the shirt I've got on right now. We have the a mattress here. Oh, and it's heavy. It's very heavy. Window there, which you can unzip. This one here is unzipped, and there's a window there as well. When I say window, it's got a fly net in, so when it gets warm, cold I should, yeah, warm, what's it? It should keep you, you shouldn't need insulation. A forward-facing bench. There's a table to go with it somewhere. It's probably in the back down here. Nice long kitchen block, bear in mind it's only 541 centimeters. 2 burners, and here we have a sink, and there's a colander. That doesn't come with it. In here, now bear in mind it's only 541 centimeters this vehicle. Look at the size of that. And I'll come in just to demonstrate it. Now you might find it more comfortable, of course, to actually, when you're showering, you sit down on the toilet, which I'm not going to try to demonstrate. There we go. Sit down like this. You've got the shower head up there, and you can get yourself clean like this. I think that's a pretty good idea. There we have a window, so you can, whilst you're in here, you can watch what's going on outside. So you could be, for example, in the centre of a major city, and you can see people, what's going on, the action in the street. Bit of storage there, and of course there's storage behind these windows as well. Not windows, I keep calling them windows. What are they? They're mirrors. I think there's storage. Sorry, I got that wrong. There isn't storage behind these windows, as I just called them. Big mirror there as well. Sometimes some of them models have got a big mirror on the door. I think that looks really good. Anyway, right, bed at the back. Note how the bed is contoured around the washroom. Now the bed mightn't be particularly large, but it's only 541 centimeters, which I think I've already mentioned. And there we have USBs. You've got shore power and light switches. Don't know what that does because nothing seems to happen. Bit of storage there as well, and of course drawers in the kitchen block. As I come out, let's go on the back. There you go. See what a huge amount of storage down here. You've got boxes, you can put your stuff in there, and you know, something like this, I mean, it's pretty small, but I really think this would do me. Anybody doesn't want to drive anything which is too big. Great. There you have a outdoor shower. This, to my way of thinking, is a genuine tiny camper because it's got a small footprint, but it's got absolutely everything inside. And so you've got a kitchen. Well, every van will give you a kitchen, but you've got a toilet, and of course there is the shower. So you can keep yourself clean. Being self-contained in a vehicle is incredibly important in my opinion. Also, it's demanded by some local authorities. So I'll give you how much water you've gotten as well. That's a really important feature. I'm assuming it's actually written here. There you go. Fresh water 100 litres, wastewater 100 litres, and it comes with a 95 ampere hour habitation battery. You'd probably want to change that. That wouldn't keep you up for very long. You can of course put solar on the roof as well. So I think that's a very nice little vehicle. Thanks for watching.